to all. We all know that plastic pollution and global warming are the two of the most pressing challenges faced by humanity today. The increase of plastic waste threatens ecosystem as well as wildlife and human health, while it rapidly increases effect on global warming, which also endangers the very foundation of our planet's stability. So in response to these urgent issues, we have decided on a project with a singular objective or an aim, which is to reduce plastic consumption in order to reduce its harmful effect on our environment. Our strategy includes promoting alternatives to single-use plastic by designing a structure that can reduce the use of plastic in all these pens. As we already know that almost all of the pens nowadays are made of plastic, and by refilling a normal pen without actually using any extra of the refills, which are also made of plastic, and or without buying any new pen for writing. So especially as a student, we're much very aware on how much pens we use on a daily basis and how many of these are thrown after each single uses. So with our idea, we have made a project called Ink Refiller, which can also reduce the plastic usage as well as save money for our pocket money. As for the scientific principle, 1, we have the chemistry of the ink, and 2, viscosity and flow control. So as for the chemistry of ink, we have devised 2 structures and as according to the which type of ink we use. So for the gel pen, we use the water-based ink, and then for the ball pen, we use the oil-based ink.
Firstly, so I'm going to explain the working of the gel pen ink refiller, and before that I'm going to introduce some of the devices which are needed in order to perform this model. So at first we have this fraction device which we have taken from the fountain pen, and second we have the device through which we are going to pass the ink to the pen, and we made this by combining 3 syringes in order to increase its length so that it will be easy for us to pass the ink to the pen. And then we have this water-based ink, and then we have this polymerized oil, and we have used this polymerized oil in order to prevent the backflow of the water-based ink. As we know that the viscosity of the water-based ink is very less, and we have made this by excess heating of oil in order to increase its viscosity so that it will help us to prevent the backflow of the oil. And next we have the another suction device which is for the polymerized oil. So let's begin the process. So now we are going to take an empty pen, and after that we are going to put the pen in it, basically. So first we are going to take the water-based ink in the refiller. After that, I'm going to put the ink in the pen. And just leave it, shake it, and after that, we are going to put the polymerized oil in it in order to stop the backflow of water-based ink. So we will put at the end of the ink. And we shake it. So now we are going to test it whether it works or not.
Test delay. So today I'm going to be explaining how our model, the ball pen ink refiller, works. So in order for the project to work, we first need to have some devices. Firstly, we need to have the suction device. So this is the suction device that we are using for today's project, and we have collected this from the fountain pen. Then we need to have the needle itself. As you can see that the needle is somewhat different from what we are using in gel pen refiller. That is because the ink that we are using in ball pen are more dense and has a higher viscosity, so therefore we need to have a more thicker needle in order for us to suck in the ink. That's why we are using a piercing needle. Then we need to have the ink itself. This is the ball pen ink. Then and finally we need to have the empty pen that we are going to refill. So now let's begin with our project. Firstly you need to connect these 2 devices together, just like this. Then you need to suck in the ink itself. As you can see, the ink is getting sucked. And after some time, you can take out the needle. Then you need to put it in the empty pen, just like this. And slowly you can do like this, and the ink will come out. And simple as that, we have a new pen. Now we have to shake it. And this is the blank paper. Now we can test whether our project worked or not. So I'm writing hello. Yeah, as you can see, it works smoothly. You can see the pen is now refilled and we can use it again. Thank you.
So now I'm going to explain about the benefits of our refiller. It is reusable as it reduces the single use of plastic waste, and it is also portable as you can carry it easily and use it anywhere. So for economical, it saves money over time by reducing the need for new pen. In conclusion, by promoting to reuse pen by using our refillable system, we contribute to mitigating the plastic pollution and encourage sustainable practices in daily life. Thank you.